afternoon, my friends and my hive. This is Miss Hardy of the Hardy of Visual Hive giving you the What's the Buzz this week in the hive. Don't forget, we have a 2-hour delay for students on Tuesday, and next Monday is our Veterans Day holiday. Yay! Salute to the veterans, which includes our very own Miss Arigia. In November, we're going to begin. I've told the kids for the last 2 weeks that when we're going to step our game up in quarter two, which is the last half of our semester. We're going to start twice a week common lits that are due on Monday and Wednesdays. This week's common lits that are due Monday, it's called Conformity, and Wednesday is called the Third Wave. Also, our vocabulary quizzes are going to be a little bit longer, but I've adjusted our time to get them done as well. This is our final quarter of our semester, so it is vital and so important that if you have good academic habits, you have strong academic habits that you've cultivated over the last quarter, that you continue that for quarter two. Or if you want to activate any new ones, please, by all means, because the habits that they develop this year will carry them for the rest of their academic life. We started our Unit 3, Conformity and Rebellion, on Friday. Very excited. This we're going to begin our social justice projects and research projects this week, and we're going to refine our punctuation skills. So the products, we're going to have an essay, they're going to have a group little presentation that they're going to do, and we are just going to keep buzzing in the hive. So let's look to see. On Monday, we're going to be in the media center every day this week. Our wonderful media specialist, Laurel Sumner, is going to give us an introduction to research. Then I'm going to talk to them about their writing portfolio that Wake County wants everybody to have. We're going to split the day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 45 and 45. So they're going to do their introduction, their 5 to 7 sentence introduction is due on Tuesday. Their body paragraph is due on Wednesday. And their conclusion is due on Thursday, because I don't want it to become Friday and they're looking at me like, well, I'm still on my introduction. No. We're going to get this done because we're going to have checks and balances every day. And then they're going to do their social injustice current event mini project with their group the last 45 minutes of class. They're going to do peer editing on Friday with their vocabulary quiz for set 11, and their research paper is due. Just to give you a heads up, the grammar bell ringers for the week, they have Khan Academy punctuation lessons that they need to work on about apostrophes, commas, colons, semicolons, hyphens, dashes, quotation marks. And these are live links, and it's also linked to their Google account. Let's look at our research paper outline and rubric. So it tells you basically what the introduction is. They will define what social justice is, and they're identifying their social justice issue. I'm allowing them at this point in our semester to develop their own social justice issue. I'll give them some examples, things like, and it might be a little heavy. So if you have any suggestions that you want to send to me, by all means, just shoot me an email about that. It could be something about human trafficking. It could be the plight of homelessness, since we talked a lot about that, and that has really piqued the interest of the students. So I'm going to talk about what it is, where is the issue prevalent, is it a geographic thing, and then why did they choose that issue. The body paragraph, that 7 to 10 sentences, is going to be about how does this issue impact everyday Americans? What are 2 important facts? Why is this issue even significant? And what do you think would need to be done to work on disrupting this issue? We're going to talk a lot about disrupting social injustice to make it a social justice. And then our conclusion, another 5 to 7 sentences, restate the social justice issue that you chose and why. Restate your 2 important facts and define it in your own words. So the first definition was the denotative or the dictionary definition, but now they're going to give to what they think and how it has impacted them. And they'll get points for well-written sentences with a minimum of capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling errors. And if they do the bare minimums, they'll get an 80. So you have to have a works cited page with 3 reliable sources. But if they go above and beyond what I consider the innovation and excellence in writing, they could get their A. Awesome sauce. So then we're going to move to the last 45 minutes of class. a group current event. So each group will choose a current or historical injustice to research and collect information to present to the class. They'll do their presentations next week on the 13th in class, so they'll get to dress up if they'd like. I doubt many of them will, and they'll get to share their Google Slide presentation with the class. So we're going to talk a lot about that tomorrow. So there's the trick with the social justice current event Google Slide presentation is only one group topic per class. So if somebody picked your topic, you got to go back to the drawing board with your group and figure out another one. And it's 10 slide minimum. I've adjusted the range for the social justice example. It can be between 1918 and 2018. And you have to answer the who, what, when, where, why, how, and what is the significance. And they're going to have to at least one visual per slide and another works cited page so that we'll get their minds wrapped around that you can't just pull stuff out of there. You have to give whoever created this idea credit. Very excited for the babies. And their punctuation is going to be on Khan Academy, and that is also linked to our Google page. And this is already on our Google Classroom in the Research Week assignments. And there's also some exemplars for the Google Slide presentation in case you want to know what some good ones look like. Well, we've had a wonderful day in the Hive today. Even though the Ravens lost, Lord have mercy. But I'm looking forward to seeing my babies in the morning. Don't forget, there's a 2-hour delay for students on Tuesday. That was something the Wake County decided. We'll be in the Media Center every day this week, writing our research papers and coming up with some really great projects. And we look forward to seeing everybody buzzing all this week. Y'all have a wonderful day.